Hello, students. In Geography, Chapter 5, today I will teach you about industries. In this, we will learn about industries and classification of industries. We have learned about primary, secondary, and tertiary activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. In this chapter, we shall talk about secondary activities. Secondary activities are those activities which involve processing of the resources. The most important secondary industry sector is manufacturing, which is responsible for making the enormous range of products needed by consumers and companies. The second most important sector in the secondary industry is construction, which is responsible for building things. In other words, we can say that the raw material is changed into a product. This sector is often divided into light industry and heavy industries. Industries such as aerospace manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, brewing industry, chemical industry, clothing industry, electronics, engineering, energy industry, metalworking, steel production, software engineering, telecommunication industry, and tobacco industry are involved. So, industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. For example, the iron and steel industry is concerned with production of goods. Now let us classify industries on the basis of source of raw material, on the basis of size, and on the basis of ownership. Again, on the basis of raw material, it is subdivided into agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries, and forest-based industries. In agro-based industries, cotton, woolen, jute, silk textile, rubber and sugar, tea, coffee, edible oil includes. And in mineral-based, iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine, tools, petrochemicals are involved. Agro-based industries use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy products, and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Iron and steel, cement factory, aluminum industry, and petrochemical fields are some examples of mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw material. The product of these industries feed other industries. Example, iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industries. This is used as raw material for the manufacture of number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. Marine-based industries use products from sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Forest-based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with forest are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, and buildings. This is an example of forest-based industry where paper is being made. Again, this is an example of forest-based industry where you can see a house made. We cannot determine the size of an industry just by looking at the infrastructure. The size of the industry is determined by the amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. On the basis of size, industries can be classified as small-scale industries and large-scale industries. Small-scale industries are industries which have smaller capital and technology investment as compared to a large-scale industry. The volume of production is also small. Some examples of small-scale industries are silk weaving and food processing industries. Small-scale industries are industries which have small capital and technology investment as compared to a large-scale industry. The volume of production is also small. Some examples of small-scale industries are silk weaving and food processing industries. Cottage industries are a type of small-scale industries in which products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Pottery, jute bag making, basket weaving are products made by cottage industry. In this, the woman is weaving a basket. In this, you can see handmade goods made by the artisans. Large-scale industries have high capital investment. Since these industries deliver large volumes of the product they manufacture, they also use superior technology. Most of the developed countries of the world like Russia, USA, Germany, Japan, Australia have fully developed large-scale industries. Some examples of large-scale industries are automobile industry, machinery production industries, etc. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. These industries are not controlled by the state. Some examples of private industries are Tata and Reliance Industry. Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. Some examples of public sector industries are HAL, which means Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Another example is SAIL, which means Steel Authority of India Limited. Joint sector industries are industries where there is cooperation between state and private enterprises. In India, there are many state-owned companies which act like private enterprises. Maruti Udyog Limited is one such company which is very successful. Cooperative sector industries are those which are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both for their mutual benefit. For example, Anand Milk Union Limited, Sudha Dairy, Indian Farmers Cooperative Society Limited and Oil India Limited are examples of cooperative ventures in India. Thank you students for watching the video.